Governor David Ige today announced the end of Hawaii's Safe Travel program and several other COVID-related mandates when the current emergency proclamation ends starting March 26th. It's one of the most significant steps in returning Hawaii to normal since the pandemic began 2 years ago. Jen Boniza has more.
In just 3 weeks, Hawaii will reopen travel again without any restrictions. Vaccination and test requirements will sunset for public workers. The only pandemic mandate left will be these. That's right, indoor masking requirements will stick around for a little bit longer. Friday, March 25th marks the end of the Safe Travels program.
Passengers arriving from any domestic destination will not have to show proof of vaccination or a pre-travel test.
International travelers are still required to adhere to federal travel requirements. More than 11.3 million travelers have been screened since Safe Travels took effect in October of 2020. Ige credits the program and other restrictions for saving lives and keeping Hawaii's case counts among the lowest in the country. Tuesday's announcement brings news many were eager to hear.
We're very, very grateful for this change in policy to come on March 26th, and we're ready to support it going forward and also to ensure that we will do our part, not to take it for granted.
It is a time for us to also be increasingly more responsible to how we handle this new freedom. With the return of our liberties comes an increased amount of responsibility.
The end of the emergency proclamation also means public workers will no longer be required to show proof of vaccination or test, and state facilities won't check that information either. But the governor is keeping the mask mandate in place, as he warns the pandemic is not over.
We'll be continuing to closely monitor the outcomes of changes to programs all across the country and the recommendations of the CDC before making statewide indoor mask requirement changes here in the islands.
He says he'll keep masks in place because Hawaii is unique in that public schools, jails, and some hospitals are state-run. Jen Boniza, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.